Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the essentials and taking the first actions. Ensure the room is light, tight, and comfortable, then mount the negative, because dust and tilt ruin prints. Once mounted, use a blower and lint-free cloth to remove particles. This matters for sharpness and contrast. Next, position the Enlarger head to frame your subject and set the lens to a mid-range aperture for test exposures. These steps let you see composition and judge exposure quickly, so make them precise and deliberate. Now you dial in exposure and contrast through controlled testing. You make test strips, expose small sections at incremental times to reveal highlight and shadow response. This shows how many seconds yield correct midtones. Then, adjust the lens aperture or contrast filters to refine depth and tonal separation, because changes here alter grain and clarity. Once done, compare strips under normal light, record the best time and filter, and transfer those exact settings to the easel for full-size exposures to avoid guesswork. You complete the process by exposing the full sheet with your chosen settings and following development, stop, and fix times precisely, because timing controls density and archival quality. After fixing and washing, dry and examine the print for dust shadows, streaks, or low contrast. If you see problems, troubleshoot systematically. Re-clean the negative and easel, verify safe light distance and wattage, and test chemistry strength with control strips. These checks quickly isolate whether the problem is optical, chemical, or procedural, so you can correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.